Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your outdoor receiver from the Xiaomi camera. So first of all, just be sure that this device is connected, that it's turned on with the USB-C cable. When you make it, this indicator will be like that on the blue. If you don't connect it yet to your phone, it will be on the orange. And to perform the reset, at the back right here you can find this button. Let me catch focus on it. Okay, right here is the reset button, and we have to use a very thin item, for example this one, and plug it right here, then press on it and take a look on this indicator on the front. As you can see right now, it is blinking on the red for the few times. We have to keep holding until it turns to the orange. So it will take around 10 seconds. As you can see, it's blinking, and after 10 seconds we can finally remove this item. So as you can see, that was very simple. And right now when you try to open this outdoor receiver by going to the settings, as you can see, it's not visible anymore. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.